Provide cleaner, fresher and better-tasting water and ice for your family. Have peace of mind with NSF-certified LG filters that reduce contaminants. Provides high-quality drinking water by removing contaminants like pesticides, chemicals, and detergents. Removes 99.99% of cysts, 99% of asbestos and almost all mercury, lead, and benzene. Removes some herbicides, pesticides and pharmaceuticals that can be found in water. Genuine LG Part A DQ 73613401. Filtration certification per NSF standards NSF42, NSF53, NSF401. Does not include cap. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for the LG refrigerator. This is the most incredible water filter I have ever owned. No more running to the store in the middle of the night for bottled water. The convenience is remarkable. I take a glass to the fridge, push it against the dispense, and cold water comes out. Water that is clean and refreshing and tastes great. This water filter idea has absolutely revolutionized my life. I feel so much more eco-friendly now.